In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this app doesn't allow screenshots. Now, there's multiple approaches that we can take, and if you run into that issue, it typically occurs due to security policies enforced by apps to protect sensitive information, prevent piracy, or ensure safety. So what I recommend that you guys do as a first attempt is to try to use Google Assistant if you're on an Android device. So to do this, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and just hold on the power button a little bit, and then it's going to open up something called Bixby, and Bixby is basically like the Android equivalent of Siri, and you can go ahead and ask it to take a screenshot. So it really is that simple, and it basically works exactly like Siri. You type in what you want, or you can go ahead and talk it out loud, and you would basically ask it to take a screenshot, and then Bixby should capture and then save the screenshot automatically for you. So I highly suggest that you go ahead and try that out first. Another thing that I recommend that you guys do is to try to screen record instead of taking a screenshot. So there are some screen recorders out there that actually are able to go ahead and record your screen regardless if you get that issue, and one really great one is Mobizen. So let me go ahead and just open up the Google Play Store really quickly and just download Mobizen. Yep, so here it is. It is completely free, and it is the screen recorder that I've been using for like almost 2016. So yeah, I've been using it for a really long time, and it definitely does get the job done. And of course, there's many other screen recorders out there, but Mobizen is the one that I like to personally use. Now, next up, we have another method, and that is to use another device to take a photo. So if digital methods fail, you could use a second device like another phone or a camera to photograph the screen. So I know the image quality may be lower, and this method is just in general inconvenient, and honestly, it's just not that comfortable to use. However, it is a foolproof method as it bypasses all software restrictions and is something that you could always rely on. But if you're trying to take pictures of your screen, make sure you have good lighting to avoid glare or reflections. Also, go ahead and check in your in-app settings over here and make sure that allow screenshots is actually turned on. But yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.